to let me in. The shattered windows and the sound